Hey guys, it's your boy Fallen and welcome to today's video. Now, if you saw some videos last week, in the next couple of videos I'll be discussing generating income through passive methods or creating several income sources. Now, I think that is very important, especially for what we're going through right now in the world. A lot of people are either not working or working limited hours and or sadly even they have been laid off. You even hear about big companies like J.C. Penney, Nordstrom, J. Crew financially struggling to the point that they're filing for bankruptcy protection. That is crazy. I don't think we have not seen something like this in a very long time in this country. Now, a lot of people rely on their one source of income. That is their job, their career, etc. Now, for me, I've been in the entrepreneurial world for the past 10 years, and I always believed in creating several sources of income. Now, for me starting out, that was because one source of income was not enough to sustain me. It was not enough to pay my bills. It was not enough for me to have a nice life I wanted to have. That is why I always experimented with different ways of making money. Now, with one of the biggest perks with creating passive income is that it does not require you to be doing it for a full-time job. Now you can keep your full-time job as long as your job is okay with it while generating passive income. Some passive income sources only require you to have check up on them on daily, maybe even weekly or monthly basis. And that is one of the biggest perks is that you're creating a second source of income that you can use for your vacation fund, if you're trying to upgrade your house, if you're trying to save money for the holidays. And think about if you create 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different passive sources of income, depending on your time, depending if your interest, depending on you understanding the concepts that go into it. Now, there is a lot of online and YouTube gurus you might see ads on, people saying it's like, hey, buy my course and I will tell you how to make $50,000 in the next 3 days. That is ridiculous. Now, I'm never one of those people that ever paid for these guru courses or online courses. I always believe that there is a lot of free content online to allow for you to learn whatever you might want to learn. One of those things is I taught myself how to trade, and trust me, places like Investopedia and YouTube are a great resource to do so. I know that there's a lot of people that might say, hey, follow these 3 magic trading tips and you're going to become a billionaire tomorrow. That is not the case. Another perk of having multiple sources of income or creating passive sources of income is that they're oftentimes diversified in different industries. For example, I'll be talking about investing in stocks or financial markets passively. I'll be also discussing how to make money creating content either through YouTube or through article writing or alternatives to YouTube. There's places that pay 5, 10, 15 times more than YouTube does because they want to grow and become a competitor to it. So that's why they're okay with taking a bit of a financial obligation, but hopefully it'll pay off longer in the long term for them. I'll also be discussing places like e-commerce and selling online, drop shipping, reselling, retail arbitrage. Now, if any of those words sounded like mumbo jumbo, don't worry, I'll be jumping into the next videos discussing all of those topics, and I'll try to break them down to a way if I wish I would have learned myself. Now, I think in the near future, we'll be seeing a lot of people interested in creating several sources of income, especially with what has happened recently. A lot of people got caught off without a warning. A lot of people are financially struggling and they want to be protected if similar situations will occur in the near future. A lot of people are talking about that this current situation will be coming back again in the future. That is why creating passive sources of income is very important. But hopefully you guys get an idea of what passive source of income is, that in a way you do not need to leave your full-time job. I know this was a very, very brief video on it, but that is why I wanted to create a quick introduction. If there's certain topics you guys want me to touch upon more or less, I would love to hear it. I'll be discussing everything, so we'll be jumping in front of the computer starting with the next video. And once again, all of it is free. One of the biggest ways and reasons I'm doing this is a big middle finger to those online gurus, to the people who are selling courses for thousands and thousands of dollars. I don't want to fire any shots at any particular individuals because I don't want to be sued, especially in the current financial conditions. But you guys, I'm sure you've seen plenty of those videos if you even looked up how to create passive sources of income. But anyways, guys, thank you for all the support, love, all the comments you guys have been leaving, all the shares. I appreciate you all very much. And I'm very excited about starting this new section and about kind of next couple videos. And then afterwards, we're going to be making some more scooter videos. And if you are not into entrepreneurial world, and if you're not into investing or generating passive income, check out the Sputnik Entertainment Archive channels. There's going to be a lot more content coming out on it. It's been a little bit behind, but I'm trying to work very hard to get everything going for you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.